We're here today because we are having a proud moment. It's the first time in Australia that an aircraft hangar is being protected by low-pressure water mist.
It's the first in the world for a hangar outside of the military. We are responders to emergencies, so it's important to us that we minimise any downtime to our fleet in the event of a fire.
I've actually seen foam go off on a hangar overseas and it was devastating. The aircraft are pretty much written off, whereas on this water mist system, it's basically you dry it off, you're all good to go. You know, it's a huge game changer.
In this hangar there will be 2 helicopters and 1 jet, and those aircraft are all fitted out for aeromedical tasking. So the value of those is almost as equal value to the building itself. So it's very important that we protect those.
The hydrocarbon fuel fire is very easy to put out with a low-level water mist plume. We're able to use the convective effect of the fire and pull the water mist into the centre of that fire. It's very effective. We use significantly less water. We've got a 60% reduction in the water storage requirements.
At LifeFlight, we are committed to reducing our environmental footprint. The impact to the environment is relatively low. With the water system, there is no chemical cleanup. It is quite literally water that we can reuse. We're pretty proud of that.
Total cost of ownership is reduced due to the reduction in the maintenance regime associated with the foam. We don't have 5-yearly testing, we don't have annual concentrate testing. The system is treated like a sprinkler system from a maintenance point of view.
This is a welded plastic system rather than like a rubber ring jointed system. We were able to utilise longer lengths, minimal joins, less potential leak points, less concrete encasing, cooling periods, things like that. So as far as installation goes, it's efficient.
Obviously, we're protecting highly valuable assets for clients, and I think once this is adopted throughout the industry, it's going to be the go-to.
Certainly moving forward, we will be looking to incorporate the water suppression system into our future hangars.
I think that any other company or enterprise that is looking at alternatives to foam, I think this one ticks a lot of boxes. With the mist system, we can actually get the aircraft back out, saving lives.
This is the future of aircraft hangar fire protection.
Safe for people, safe for aircraft, safe for the environment.